Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, finally euro currency almost has reached our target that we have discussed within the previous 2 weeks. That's 136.85 area. The completing point of this ABCD pattern that in fact gives us the potential bearish Gartley's 222 sell, so initial thrust down, ABCD retracement as the respect of the confluence support on the weekly time frame chart, and so on. So you can see that market almost was in time to complete this ABCD. Slightly 1 day later it has completed it. So that leg is a bit flatter than this one. Here we have significant resistance cluster, so you can see ABCD completion point, the 1618 of that retracement, 1618 on that small retracement. That's some sort of the 3-drive sell pattern is forming here. And take a look, the minor 768 fib resistance, slightly higher. Well, although we were right with the direction, but that was really the tough task to make money on this market, since this was really extreme volatility and really dramatic action, especially in the recent sessions. So that's why it's really about extreme volatility, and even with the correct directions, it was really difficult to earn some profit on this action in the recent trading session. The one thing how it could be done, maybe if only on the position on the higher time frames, on the weekly time frame chart, when you just take the position based on the weekly engulfing pattern and hold it, or something of that sort. But if you trade on the intraday charts, using some fib levels from the recent, some swings on the 4-hour time frame chart, it really was difficult, because that really spikes right before the European Central Bank meeting, and previously as well. That was really frustrating. So anyway, market almost has reached the target. Now we will see how today's trading session will be closed, and we will understand, maybe market will form something that will be useful for us, and we will try to make the trading plan on next week within the weekend. Also guys, I think that I do not know yet what currency pair we will take into consideration in the weekend, because also I very like the situation on the New Zealand dollar and on the Japanese yen, because their very interesting setup is forming, as on the Kiwi as on the Japanese yen, on the higher time frames chart, and that in fact has the really great potential for trading and could give us a direction for the long period. On the euro currency we do not have such an issue. That's why I'm not decided yet what currency pair I will consider on the weekend. But if euro currency will form something special, something interesting during the trading session on the inside, on intraday charts, maybe if some reversal pattern will be formed here, well, maybe we will continue to deal with the euro currency. So let's see. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have this pattern that we have discussed yesterday, this butterfly buy. That is, by the way, the patterns that are really outstanding. So you can see this really volatility. Move down, move right back up. This really pursing significant, almost right to this low. So if you try to take the position on retracement to this area, so it's very difficult to do this. So that was really cunning price action in the recent trading session. Anyway, market stands very close to the 1618 extension of the butterfly. I suspect that we will see some small attempt to just small continuation to the upside, because market not has quite reached the targets. So 1618 almost hasn't been touched yet. The daily ABCD also hasn't been reached yet as well. And besides, this action to the upside was really fast acceleration. Hardly market will just turn immediately and down to the downside. I think that we will see some by the bullish momentum, some small continuation to the upside, at minimum to the resistance area that we have specified on the daily time frame chart. Probably that will be made by some, will be done by some pattern on the hourly time frame chart, because when we take a look at the hourly chart, we do not see any reversal patterns yet. That could tell us that market is ready to turn to the downside. Maybe here we will get some kind of the head and shoulders or something of that sort. Also take a look that market stands at 1618 extension of that A, B, C bottom pattern. So market has hit 1618. Anyway, I think that before taking any position, before taking the short position in particular, we have to wait for a pattern. Since market almost has reached our target, almost has completed the Gartley's triple to sell, but hasn't quite reached the 3685 area where the objective points stand. As it will happen, maybe even during today's trading session, and especially if market will form some reversal pattern here, maybe butterfly with the hitting this target, maybe head and shoulders pattern. So for instance, if we'll calculate the extension of this move down, you can see that 1618 stands right around this area. So if it will be the, for instance, head and shoulders, that market will touch these targets by the head. So that particular the event that we will monitor within the today trading session. And within the weekend, if market really will give us some gift of this pattern, well, we will try to understand what we'll do on the next week. If not, if we will not get some clear setup here, then probably we will take a look on some other currency pair, maybe New Zealand dollar or Japanese yen.